Fully funded ILO Social Finance Program, call for fellowship applications. The ILO Social Finance Program invites applications from qualified professionals with expertise in inclusive finance, microfinance, insurance, and development to join its fellowship program roster and potentially work in 3 countries, Mozambique, Sierra Leone, and the Solomon Islands. The projects are planned to begin at the end of the third quarter of 2024. Please subscribe to this channel and share the link of this video with your loved ones. The Fellowship Program. The program's goal is to connect qualified professionals with organizations working on the cutting edge of financial inclusion, microfinance, and impact insurance, bridge skill gaps, and develop a new generation of professionals with experience serving low-income communities. Each fellow will be assigned to a host organization for a year to support an innovation initiative. The project could involve the installation of a financial product, a public-private partnership, a digital solution, or a distribution partnership. Who can apply? Candidates for the fellowship should have relevant expertise in financial inclusion, insurance, digital finance, and public-private partnerships, be proactive in documenting learning experiences, be interested in working on development issues in developing countries, and be committed to providing inclusive financial and insurance services on a long-term basis. Demonstrate resourcefulness in arranging practical essentials for travel, life, and work in a new setting. Be willing to work in a developing country throughout the fellowship. Financial inclusion, insurance, or development experts with at least 5 years of technical experience and a desire to use their expertise to promote social justice in emerging countries are encouraged to apply. Candidates with the required abilities and experience will be added to the roster and considered for the aforementioned fellowship opportunity. Terms of reference. Background. The informal economy is an important aspect of the economies of ACP countries, accounting for a sizable amount of GDP and employment. Despite providing job opportunities, it is associated with low productivity, income, and high poverty rates. Workers in this industry sometimes lack access to basic services and social protection, making them exposed to economic downturns and hardships. Limited access to money and a lack of business skills impede the productivity and growth of informal businesses. Addressing these difficulties necessitates a comprehensive approach that includes a wide range of stakeholders in order to foster formalization and growth. The project supporting informal enterprises' transition towards sustainable growth and formalization in the Africa, Caribbean, and Pacific regions is an OACPS group of states effort, funded by the European Union and carried out by the ILO and UNDP. The project's goal is to help informal enterprises in Sierra Leone, Mozambique, and the Solomon Islands migrate to the formal economy by providing an appropriate policy environment and incentives for formalization and building informal enterprise capacities. Access to capital is one of the most significant hurdles to enterprise growth, development, and gradual formalization. Because of their significant reach and influence over their clients, financial service providers can act as a major enabler of progressive formalization of informal enterprises, using such levers as improving access to finance and financial services, allowing to enhance enterprise productivity, providing financial products tailored to the needs of informal businesses and accompanied by incentives for step-by-step formalization, and supporting. The ILO is looking for 3 fellows to work with partner organizations in 3 project locations: Maputo, Mozambique, Freetown, Sierra Leone, and Honiara, Solomon Islands, to help selected financial institutions pilot and scale up financial and non-financial services that promote enterprise formalization. Each fellow will be assigned to one of the selected host organizations, banks and microfinance institutions, insurance firms, and mobile money providers, and will assist with the project's implementation over the course of a year. Modalities. The fellow will be assigned to a predetermined host organization, which will be chosen from among banking and microfinance institutions, insurance companies, and mobile money providers, and will assist in the project's implementation by interacting with both the primary host organization and a number of partner financial institutions involved in the project. The number of entities supported by the fellow might range from 1 main host organization to a maximum of 8, depending on the country and project. The assistance modalities for each host and partner organization need to be determined. The project's goal is to help prototype financial solutions tailored to the needs of informal entrepreneurs, promote incremental formalization of such clients, and improve in-country B2B relationships to assure efficiencies. Duties and expected outputs. The fellow will be responsible for providing technical assistance to the host and partner financial institutions in a way that contributes to the project's objectives of improving access to finance and implementing appropriate financial services that incentivize and promote the progressive formalization of informal businesses. Please subscribe to this channel and share the link of this video with your loved ones. Specific tasks include, but are not limited to, the following. Collaborated with the ILO, host organization, and partner financial institutions to ensure timely project implementation. Analyzed regulatory frameworks to align recommendations with local financial sector and business formalization legislation. Developed client segmentation strategies to identify clients most likely to formalize their activities. Conducted visits and interviews. Assist in developing partnerships between host and partner organizations as needed. Document lessons learned from developing and testing financial products, approaches, and internal processes during the project. Requirements. Education, bachelor or master's degree in economics, management, finance, banking, insurance, or related subjects. Professional experience. 5 to 10 years of experience in the financial services industry, with knowledge of banking and insurance products and processes. Experience in project management, business analysis, development cooperation, financial product design, mass market distribution strategies, and digital technologies. Languages, English, Portuguese, required for Mozambique applications. How to apply. Interested candidates should apply by downloading and completing out the application form, which should be returned to socialfinance@ilo.org with the subject line Application, Social Finance Fellowship in Mozambique /Solomon Islands /Sierra Leone. The deadline for entries is June 11, 2024, 23:59 CEST. Please subscribe to this channel and share the link of this video with your loved ones.